Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be testing out this slime kit. It looks similar to the Nickelodean one. This one is called the So Slime DIY Slime Factory, and the only major difference I would say is it requires no glue. So the first main thing that it comes with is this station thingy. And here are all of the powders, confetti, and the toys and glitters. This is the mixer spinny thing that you have to assemble yourself, along with 3 capsules for, I'm guessing, the glitter or confetti, 3 shaker cups, and an instruction sheet with labels and stickers. There you go. And then you just put it in like this. I did it! In here. Oh! I think that's what they meant was for the funnel goes in here. Okay. And that makes it so much easier. So the glitter doesn't spill everywhere. And there is 1 glitter capsule completed. Here's the second one completed. All the glitters are in the capsules. No, I want the unicorn to stand. Come on, unicorn. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Here are all of the powders. And now it is time to make the slime, which is the most exciting part in my opinion. I'm gonna put this one. Oh my god! No! I was way too aggressive with that. I ripped it. Okay, I'm gonna be extra careful this time. Extra careful. There we go. Okay, first let's read the instructions and then we can get on with the slime making. One thing I do want to say is I wish this was colored because it would make it so much more fun to read. Instructions for 1 slime powder pack. Step 1. Remove lid from the mixing cup. Step 2. Select your color of slime powder. Put in 1 slime powder pack. I'm going to select blue. Step 3. Add a small amount of glitter and or confetti as you wish. It's a small amount, so I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna wing it. Just a couple, I don't need to add a lot. Add water until it is full to the line. Pour carefully to avoid filling over the line. Use cool tap water. I like that they specified what type of water to use because I feel like different types of water can make a difference. Step 5 is to quickly put the lid onto the mixing cup, secure the lid, and begin turning crank to mix. It is important to begin mixing right away to avoid clumps from forming. Oh, okay. We gotta hurry it up. Okay. This even? Okay. How long do I mix it for though? Continue turning the crank to mix quickly for 2 minutes. Okay, time's up. Next step is to remove the lid and wait 5 minutes before removing your slime. If you remove your slime right away, it will be sticky. Okay. And now I'll be back in 5 minutes. Eating some Ben and Jerry's because why not? I was craving it while I'm waiting. It is done. Use the stir stick to gently mix and allow some air into your slime. Whoa, wait. That is so cool. Guys, my mind is actually blown right now because this is all from powder and water and it creates this. It's like a little clump thing right here. This probably did dissolve well. Look at that. It's stretchy. I do notice some glitter fallout. It's probably because I added way too much glitter. Now let's try the shakers. So what the shakers are these right here. Okay, let's start the slime shaker. So there is a separate instruction for that, which is this piece right here. It says, number 1, combine the slime powder pack, glitter, and or confetti into the shaker container. Fill with cool tap water to the fill line on the shaker. So let's pick out a slime pack. I'm gonna pick out the pink one. And now it's time to add the water to the fill line. Next step is to secure the lid. Shake quickly for 30 seconds, remove the lid, wait 5 minutes before removing the slime from the shaker. After mixing the slime, it is important to let the slime rest 5 minutes before playing or the slime will be too sticky. So it's similar to the mixer. Start. Okay, so it says to remove the lid and then wait 5 minutes before playing with it. And I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes right now and I'll be right back. Ooh, okay. This is a success. Look, oh wow. This is really pretty. Like this is such a neon bright pink color, which I love. I love neon colored slimes. Very, very nice. I love it. It did say in the instructions to use a spoon to stir and remove any lumps. Most lumps will dissolve over time. At first, the slime may still be sticky after removing from the shaker. After playing for several minutes, it will become smoother. So that's just not the case for me. It was not sticky at all when I removed it from the shaker. I think the charm adds a cute accessory to the slime, but I usually just remove it and then I play with the slime. So this is the slime that I made with the mixer, and then this is the slime that I made with the shaker. I prefer the mixer just because it's more fun to like mix it yourself. It's like the traditional way of making slime, but I like how fast you can make the slime with the shaker because all you gotta do is shake it for 30 seconds, whereas you gotta mix it for 2 seconds in the mixer. They both require 5 minutes to turn into slime, which is not long at all. So what I want to do now is I want to actually mix in 2 different colored powders, half of one color and one half of the other color, and see if that will work. I'm really curious about this. Okay, let's add the water. In the meantime, I'm going to make another slime in the shakers using this powder right here. So the color is not the best thing in the world, but this time there are no lumps, which is nice. I wonder why. Maybe because I mixed it longer. You know what these slimes remind me of? They remind me of icy slimes. Like they look and feel like ice slimes. It's kind of my fault that I combined purple and green because I don't know my color combos, complementary colors well, so that's my fault, but the color is not too bad. It's like a neutral color. Oh, this one is so bright, like a highlighter. This one is not as stretchy. I love the color of this one so much. So overall, I am very pleased with the product. The kit is very nice. You get a lot for your money. And it's really cool to see the powder and water form into these wonderful slimes. I'm just gonna leave this up a little longer in case you want to pause and read my other thoughts on this product. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!